Okay, here is my MacBook. As you can see right over here, my fan has died. Yeah, it has died. So I'm going to show you right now a quick fix on how to repair your Mac fan. This only applies for MacBook. I haven't tried on MacBook Pros yet. So basically, your fan will be around here. So clench your fist like this. Aim it around just above the numpstock and the F7. And you just hit it really hard. Yeah, and as you can see, the fan suddenly works again, and you can start to hear the fan sound.